Myself, S. Shuganti, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Bharatiyar Arts and Science College for Women, Deviyakuruchi. Mathematics. Without mathematics, there is nothing you can do. Everything around you is mathematics, and everything around you is numbers. This is said by Shakuntala Devi. So, we learn mathematics with happiest moment. Topology is one of the main branch in mathematics. Topology. In mathematics, topology is concerned with the properties of a geometric object that are preserved under continuous deformations such as stretching, twisting, crimpling and bending but not tearing. For example, a square can be deformed into a circle without breaking. Father of topology. The Russian-born mathematician George Cantor is the father of topology. Topology is used in many fields. Now, we are going to know where is topology used. Topology is used in many branches of mathematics such as differential equations, dynamical systems, knot theory and Riemann surfaces in complex analysis. It is also used in string theory in physics and for describing the space-time structure of universe. Now we are going to see the applications of topology. Topology is applied in many fields of sciences such as dynamical systems, physics, chemistry, computer science, graph theory, biology, economics, cosmology, combinatorics, and also topology is used in many other fields. Now we are going to see the application of topology in computer science, that is in network topology. A network topology is the arrangement or pattern in which all nodes on a network are connected together. Now we are going to see the types of network topology. The mapping of a LAN design is called topology. There are 4 categories: star topology, bus topology, ring topology, and finally mesh topology. Hybrid combinations of these topologies also exist. First we learn about star topology. In this type, all computers and devices are connected to a main switch. The switch amases and disperses the flow of data within the network. Star topology is the most common type of network and follows the Ethernet standard. Second one, bus topology. In this arrangement, computers and devices are connected to a single linear cable called a trunk. The trunk is also called as the backbone or a segment. Here, each end of the trunk must be discharged to prevent the signal from rebounding back up the cable. Next one, ring topology. In this, computer and devices are connected to a closed loop cable. Here, there are no terminating ends. So, if one system crashes, then entire network goes down. So, each computer functions as repeater and charges the signal before sending it to the next station. Finally, we are going to learn about mesh topology. In mesh topology, there is no central connection point. Instead, each node is connected to at least one other node and usually to more than one. Here, each node is capable of sending messages to and receiving messages from other nodes. Hence, here the nodes act as relays, passing on a message towards its final destination. Now, we learned the 4 types of network topology, but we are going to know above 4 types which topology is the best one. A star network topology is best suited for smaller networks and works efficiently when there is limited number of nodes. The central node is always working and extra security features should be added to the switch because it is the heart of the network. So, above 4 categories, star network is recently used in all field. In next video, we are going to see another application of topology. Thank you.